When we started working on this vehicle, our segment is the fleet segment. So we kind of looked at, what are the needs of this particular segment? What are the pain points of this segment? So the segment that we are catering to, actually, there are multiple, customers needs that we need to cater to. One is you have the operator needs. Then you have the driver owner needs, and then you have the consumer needs. So if you look at the operator needs, they would like to have a plug-and-play vehicle, so that they are able to upload a lot of data from the vehicle and their app runs more efficiently on the vehicle. From a driver owner needs, one is they're looking at a vehicle that can, give them maximum profits. So every day they have a certain amount of time that they can expend, and with that time that they expend, what is the maximum return that they can get from it? So if they have a vehicle, they would like to use the vehicle, without any downtime. So charging downtime is very crucial or very critical for the fleet segment. So no matter what you do, you can't have you can't have you can't afford downtime for charging. And if you look at today's charging solutions, any vehicle will need to at least spend a couple of hours charging the vehicle. So we realize that is not going to work in the fleet segment. So we need to find a solution for this particular crucial need of the fleet segment. So what we are developing, right from the beginning, of course, we looked at having swappable batteries. At that point of time, swappable batteries were not there in the market. So luckily now, over the last 3-4 years, there is an ecosystem that has been developed for swappable batteries, but not for the 4-wheeler segment. So it's today available for the 2-wheeler and the 3-wheeler segment. So we are looking at our vehicle as being designed such that there is multiple options for charging. So either you can charge the vehicle directly, or you can charge the vehicle by swapping out batteries. And we also have a solar roof for charging the vehicle. So when it comes to swappable batteries, so our vehicle architecture is, as a fixed plus swappable battery architecture, which is very unique in this segment. Of course, I can't go into details. There is some IP, and we'll be able to reveal more when we launch the vehicle. But basically, it would be as convenient as what is available today in the market. What the 3-wheeler guys use to swap batteries. So swappable batteries also needs to be charged. So and we also foresee a lot of our vehicles out there in rural areas, and where they don't have access to electricity. So we are also trying to build an ecosystem where with a solar panel kit and batteries, there would be small enterprises that would be able to recharge swappable batteries. And to make it more profitable, we are also trying to see how these same batteries can be used to power, homes and small businesses.